Hi friends, I hope you had a great day today. Uh, are you able to hear me loud and clear? Please say yes or share your like. If you are able to hear me, please give a like so that I can go ahead. I'm also excited to be here. Please do share the channel with your friends, and I hope our views, our analysis have been helpful in taking any positive decisions and getting into profitable trades. Today was a very exciting day for us too, since we had very good trade setups. If you see, uh, in the beginning of the market or the opening of the market, the first candle tested yesterday's low. However, it did not go below or sustain below these levels. We were in fact planning to go short if the price moved below this, and possibly we would have gone to the next level of target as well. However, the market sustained and went straight ahead towards a target of 38,983 and 39,190 levels. So what am I expecting tomorrow, or what can we expect tomorrow? Being an expiry, market will definitely be very volatile. We got good trades today. Uh, However, here we in fact I think in the Nifty we went short somewhere at this level, and our stop loss got hit. However, 17,100 from 125 we got 150, and the second entry I think we got about 175. We also took 38,500 call. The first time we were able to get about 60 points or so, and the next time we were able to get more than 120 points. In fact, it made a high of 700. However, we had entered from 460. We had exited somewhere at 620 levels. Today is the Fed news uh, or FOMC news, where they have a meeting, which can definitely impact the market a lot. Already, if you see Dow Jones, now it moved up pretty strongly sometime. It is not sustaining these levels and possibly moving down also. However, if it sustains above 39,300, I am sure we can expect 29,300. I'm sure we can expect 29,600 levels or so. STX is down already by about 70 odd points from where it was, and giving us a feeling that market might be weak as well. However, let me tell you, based on the analysis of open interest and the charts, there is a strong possibility that market can move up towards 17,200 as well. I think this was the call. 38,500 went high, 17 or 75. We also took a couple of other trades. I think one was Sun TV, and we took Ambuja Cement and Pidilite also. gained some few points in that. Honestly speaking, we still hold Pidilite. We are short on ABFRL futures, and we are holding a profit of about 10 points in that. PCR from yesterday 0.69, it has come to 1, and that means the market is slightly on the bull side. Yesterday we had mentioned that 39,000 put writer is holding very strongly and has uh, uh, in fact I think this writer sustained and took the market up. During the market we observed that 17,000 put writer formed a very strong base, and market was not able to move past that. And if you see now, 17,000 put writer is holding quite strongly, where the next call writers are at 17,300, 17,400 and 500 also. So there will be definitely huge resistance at these levels of 17,500 and a good support at 17,000 and 17,100 also. What I observed at the end is there was quite a bit of writing which happened towards the end on 1700, pushing the market up. On the bank nifty during the market, 38, I think it was 39,200 call and put writer, sorry, 39, yes, 38,800 call writers at one point in time had to give up their positions. There was a strong unwinding by the 38,800 call writer. I'm sure if you go to the NSE option chain, you will be able to see that because I was watching at that time. For tomorrow, now the market looks bullish. There will be, if Bank Nifty is able to sustain above 39,220 levels, then my next level of target I will straight away look at 39,600 or so. However, if this level is not able to move, then there is a strong possibility that market can test back the lows of today and yesterday as well. Bank Nifty, to be honest, has been trading on a very tight range for some time, and it is definitely awaiting to give a big move. Whether it is going to happen tomorrow or post expiry in the coming week is the $1 million question. We purely look at price action and share our views. Many of the people, since we run a training academy, many people ask me what indicator do you see and how are you able to analyze the market so quickly. It's basically pure price action is what we look at. There is no indicator as such. There is no shortcut. If there was a shortcut, then I'm sure everybody would have become rich. And I'm sure I wouldn't be sitting here on YouTube talking to people as well. It requires a lot of observation, analysis of the chart, the option chain, the volumes, the type, data, everything. So I'm sure I'm happy my friends are all here, they're talking to me, and using to us. Meanwhile, as I was telling, this breakout also is one crucial breakout which has happened in Bank Nifty. So if it retests and moves back up towards our level of 39,600, or is the big $1 million question which I have in my mind. Meanwhile, if I look at the FI data, I also see some kind of a pressure which can be built by the call raters on the higher side, which could be 39,500 on the Bank Nifty, and it could be 17,200 on the Nifty front. So if these call raters are being taken out, then I'm sure we should be able to reach higher. So for tomorrow, as I mentioned, my levels are very clear. Meanwhile, I would want to bring to attention a couple of stocks which I have in my mind for positionally. One is Ambuja Cement. Today, in fact, we took Ambuja Cement when we saw this kind of a W pattern which was getting formed here on this breakout, and we got some profitable trades for our subscribers. We also have mentioned to add Metropolis, looking at this positive up move, and we're hoping this move continues till 1640 levels. We also bought Reliance, hoping that it would give a good, nice up move. However, it did not sustain as much as expected and was very bondish. So we had to almost take it at cost to profit. Aarti Industries, I would also want you all, my friends, to probably look at this and maybe add once this sustains above. There are some positive moves upwards above 780. We may able to get the target of 900 levels or so. Also, our favorite jubilant food is getting prepared for a big positive move upwards. It has been consolidating for some time, and we're hoping that this also reaches about 660 levels or so. Meanwhile, friends, please do join our Telegram. The name of our Telegram is Stars. Put the Stars Speak Telegram, and you will get so I'll anyway share the link of my Telegram. We are not much very active there, but however, yes, we do provide some bit of analysis and trades as well there. Meanwhile, I'm seeing in FTX, which was trying to head towards 17,120 has not sustained and now slowly coming down towards 1720 levels or so. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, any queries, yes, I think Ashpur to that large extent, as per the OI data, what I see is there is a possibility that market can be pushed down tomorrow. I'm not very strong in waves, but basis the data which I observed, the market may move up. There is also a strong possibility that we will have some kind of a downward pressure. So kindly note these levels for trading. Above this, we may remain bullish. Above 38,900, we may remain bullish. Or I'm sorry, friends, one moment, please. So 38,900 below, we should be bearish. We may look at 38,780 levels, and the next level we can even see 38,600, which has become a strong support because of the yesterday's low was respected, and it becomes a strong base for us. So if this is taken out, then I think the next level would be at 38,340 or so, or 38,300 or so. The next level of targets in the coming weeks will be 37,900 as well. So let's see how market will react. For tomorrow, I want you to have a keen watch on Kotak. Looks to be heading towards 1,830 levels. Also, to watch on JSW, L&T, Sun Pharma, Ultra Cement, Cements, we should be able to see 6,250 maybe in couple of couple of trading sessions. UPL seems to be very weak still. However, I can see a kind of a W pattern getting formed. So once this level of 690, this level of 678, 882 is taken, then we should be able to see 760 and 808 levels in UPR. So friends, you are not holding any positions for tomorrow because the names can get eroded by the time the market gets open. Some of our friends were asking our views on Tata Adani Ports, Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer, as we had mentioned, we already had one low here, and now looks like it is consolidating. Not seeing a very clear direction. There is a possibility it may even test 700 levels. So I would want to wait and see how it goes, and then probably enter a trade as per the price action we can see tomorrow. Uh, as I mentioned, the HDFC Bank uh, has done its breakout here, and we did not see any great moves in HDFC as of now. So unless until it is able to sustain above 1428, which once it sustains above 1428 or so, then we should be able to see 1500 levels or so. So thanks for your time. I hope you have a great day tomorrow. Meanwhile, yes, I will share the levels of Bank Nifty options for tomorrow. As I had mentioned earlier, we will trade either call or put based on the price action. So for tomorrow, I am choosing two strike prices. One is 38,900. Let me make a note of these two strikes and the level for tomorrow. We shall buy 38,900 once it sustains above 460 or 65 for a target of 550 to 660. SL for this would be below 400, and put possibly we would take 39 500 500 once it crosses 480 or 485, the target should be around 560 to 660. So SL for the same would be 435, and currently this is trading at 420. So it may take some time for these two trades to come in. However, we will probably only enter these once these levels come. So good luck for tomorrow. Thank you all for your time. I will ulta. Acha, ulta is break. Yeah, I will let's look at ulta. I'm sure he is taken in futures. Let us look at it's looking very, very range boundish. Uh, I'm not sure, but then Volta seems to be very, very weak for what reason. I have no clue at all. Uh, I think still there is a move in Volta. It may come up to 750 levels also, or up to 800 levels. So if you're holding Volta long, then you may want to write calls. So 920 call and 940 call can be written. If you see, Volta try to break this move up, but it's not having any strength at all. There is huge shorts of selling pressure in this. What I would look at is if it breaks out and sustains above 8, 881 or 885, 86 levels, then you can go long for target of 910, 920 also. So wish you all the best, Ankur Bhai, not to worry. You still have about 20 odd days, so we should be able to get this out. We will probably connect on WhatsApp and we'll share more plans. I hope you do not have any, since you do not have any other queries, so I would like to take off here and